how to turn on or turn off customize Galaxy Store on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, let's return back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Then we scroll down and tap on advanced features. After that, we then tap on Bixby. Then scroll down and tap on customization service. Now scroll down, then tap on the Galaxy Store toggle button to turn off. Now tap on the stop button to switch it off. So here, so you won't get personalized content in Galaxy Store. So tap on stop. Or you can tap on it to switch it on, and then tap on customize. And that is how you can turn on or turn off customize Galaxy Store app on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.